Meet James. He's 38, a Christian father of three, working as a mid-level financial analyst in Alpharetta. He'd been with the same company for 11 years. $98,000 salary, good benefits, 401k match, felt secure. Then in early 2025, his manager called everyone into a meeting. We're implementing AI-powered data analysis tools to increase efficiency. They said it would free up time for higher-level work. 3 months later, James and 40% of his team were let go. The AI now does 80% of the routine analysis he used to be paid for. He's been applying to jobs for 5 months. Most postings now say, AI tools experience required, or have been paused entirely. His savings are dwindling, he's stressed, his wife is worried, and he feels like he failed his family. James thought his skills were safe. AI killed his job, and it's coming for millions more in 2026. My name is David, and I spend way too much time warning believers about financial traps. If you're worried about AI taking your income, hit subscribe and thumbs up. This is for you. In under 5 minutes, the 5 AI job killers coming in 2026, and how to protect your income God's way. Killer number 5, AI-powered routine office work automation. Tools like Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, Claude, and custom GPTs now handle spreadsheets, reports, emails, scheduling, data entry. Jobs that used to pay $50,000 to $90,000. Why it's coming fast in 2026? Companies save 30 to 60% on labor costs. How to protect yourself. Move to roles that require human judgment, empathy, or creativity. Learn to use AI as your assistant. Become the person who manages the tools. Proverbs 22:29. Do you see a man skilled in his work? He will stand before kings. Killer number 4, AI customer service and chat agents replacing call center and support roles. Chatbots and voice agents, powered by Grok, Claude, GPT-4o, etc., handle 70 to 80% of basic inquiries now. Why it's accelerating? Companies cut support staff by 50% plus while maintaining 24/7 coverage. How to protect yourself. Shift to high-touch, relationship-based sales or support roles. Build personal brand and trust. AI can't replace human connection yet. Colossians 3:23. Work heartily as for the Lord. Focus on value only humans deliver. Killer number 3, AI content and media creation, replacing writers, designers, video editors, and social media managers. Tools like Grok Imagine, Midjourney, Runway, Descript, and 11 Labs now produce articles, images, videos, voiceovers at 10 to 50 times speed. Why it's hitting hard? Companies cut creative teams by 40 to 70%. How to protect yourself. Become an AI-augmented creator. Use tools to 10 times your output, but add your unique voice and faith perspective. Focus on niche, personal, or high-trust content AI can't replicate well. Psalm 139:14. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Your unique perspective is irreplaceable. Killer number 2. AI legal research, accounting, financial analysis, and compliance tools replacing junior lawyers, bookkeepers, analysts. Tools like Harvey, CoCounsel, Vic.ai, and custom GPTs do 70 to 90% of entry/mid-level work. Why it's dangerous? These roles paid $60,000 to $120,000. Many are vanishing. How to protect yourself. Specialize in high judgment areas. Strategy, negotiation, ethics. Become the human who oversees AI outputs for accuracy and wisdom. Proverbs 15:22. Plans fail for lack of counsel. Human wisdom still matters. Killer number 1, AI-driven displacement in creative and tech fields. Coding, graphic design, video production, marketing. Tools like Devon, AI software engineer, Runway Gen 3, Adobe Firefly, and GitHub Copilot now produce professional-grade work at near zero marginal cost. Why it's the biggest threat? Entire job categories shrink 30 to 60% in 2026 to 2028. How to protect yourself. Build multiple income streams now. Side hustles, digital products, consulting. Learn AI mastery as a skill. Become indispensable by combining human creativity with AI power. Diversify geographically and skill-wise. Proverbs 6:6-8. Prepare like the ant. Store up for uncertain seasons. AI is coming fast. But it's not the end of work. It's the end of certain kinds of work. Protect your income. Start learning AI as a tool. Diversify now. Give first. Trust God's provision. Don't panic. Prepare. Comment below, which AI job killer scares you most? What's your first step to get ahead? Subscribe for more biblical finance truth. Hit the bell. May the Lord give you wisdom, courage, and provision in every season.